Hello students, a very warm welcome once again in a new video of SCCP Edu Point. In this video, we are going to solve problem number 4 in a question paper of Maharashtra State Board conducted in, I think, yes, it's conducted in March 2013. Okay, so this question was for 4 marks in question number 4. So what was the question? The question was, if the first term of an AP is P, second term is Q, and the last term is R, then show that the sum of all terms in the AP is Q plus R minus 2P times P plus R whole divided by 2 times Q minus P. All right. Let me reshape this. All right. So let's start with the given things here. Hold on a second, please. Here, the first term, that is T1, is given as P. The second term, that is T2, equals to Q. And the last term, we also denote it as Tn, that is nth term of the AP, is given as R. So these things are given. Now, to prove this, first we have to find the values of T and number of terms in the AP, that is the value of n first. Therefore, let's find D first. As we know, the formula for D is D equals to T2 minus T1, that is Q minus P. Okay, so this is the value of D, that is the common difference in the AP. Now, let's find the value of n, that is number of terms in the AP, using Tn formula, that is the formula of nth term of AP. Now, using Tn formula, so Tn's formula is Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 times T. Now replace the values of Tn, A and D in this equation. Okay, 2n means the last term, which is given as R. So R is equal to A is the first term, and in this AP, the first term is P. So replace this A with P plus, since we have to find the value of n, let keep this bracket at it as it is, and these values Q minus P as we already found here. So common difference is Q minus P. Now let's simplify this to find the value of n. This P in the right hand side will go to the left hand side and become negative. Therefore, R minus P equals to n minus 1 times Q minus P. Therefore, n minus 1 will become R minus P divided by Q minus P. Now let's take this negative one to the right hand side. Therefore, n equals to R minus P divided by Q minus P plus 1. Now let's simplify this for the value of n. Therefore, n is equal to 1 times R minus P is R minus P. 1 times Q minus P will become plus Q minus P whole divided by Q minus P. Q minus P. Okay. Therefore, n is equal to this Q plus R minus this minus P will become minus 2P whole divided by Q minus P. All right. So this is the value of n. So now we have the common difference and the number of terms in the AP. Now we have to prove that the sum of all terms in AP, that is SN. So here the concept of SN arise up. Therefore, we gonna use SN formula to prove this. Now, using SN formula. Okay, since we have the first term and the last term and number of terms in the AP, we can use the second general formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket the first term T1 plus the last term Tn. This short formula we are going to use. So Sn is equal to the value of n is q plus r minus 2p divided by q minus p whole divided by 2. 2 means 2 upon 1 times the first term, that is T1 is p plus the last term is r. The value of Tn is r. Now let's simplify this. So Sn is equal to q plus r minus 2p divided by q minus p times the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2 times p plus r. Now let's simplify this as q plus r minus 2p divided by 2 times this bracket will become 2 times q minus p times p plus r. Now let's rearrange these things without changing the meaning of the statement, that is q plus r minus 2p times p plus r divided by 2 times q minus p, and to the left hand side it is Sn, meaning the sum of all terms in AP is q plus r minus 2p times p plus r whole divided by 2 times q minus p, and that is something we have to prove, hence proved. So if you like this video, please hit like button, share among your friends, and to get such exciting videos, keep subscribing the SCCP Edu Point. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great time. Bye bye.